check out the rooftop part of it?
Yeah. Ano ba?
Become a black driver.
Correct driver.
Just right off the street, you'll find a lot of dive shops, and you'll see a lot of them in Coron Town. But when choosing a dive shop in Coron, prioritize operators with a strong safety record, well-maintained equipment, and qualified instructors just to ensure safety and for a better experience, of course.
Sorry. Ah?
Tawid! Dive shoes. I forgot my dive shoes.
Dive shoes.
Our hotel is around 5 to 10 minutes away from Coron Town proper, where there are a lot of restaurants, bars, and even souvenir shops and massage parlors. So we're gonna head there now to find somewhere to eat.
Kain mo na?
Yeah. Kain muna.
Can go. This is the one where there's like a shared food court seating area. In different restaurants you can order. There's live music. You can go here tomorrow night,
Okay.
right? To end. This is the one I said. Was it the choco something here?
Yes.
There's also Santino's Rib Shack.
Yeah.
So nice. know this one? Casa?
Yeah.
I tried to get us to book if I was here.
But then,
But I don't know why. It wouldn't show.
What I was trying to say was that I couldn't find Casa in the booking.com, so I think it was fully booked.
yeah.
Yeah.
Paano pag kumain ko? Okay.
Sweet up sweets. Salute. Coron. This is nice. Right?
Yeah, very nice.
As we were venturing off towards the end of Coron Town proper, there were these really beautiful lights, so I just decided to go follow the lights. It led us to Coron Coliseum Recreation Center. I honestly was quite surprised at how beautiful, clean, and developed the public space was.
Looks nice.
Okay na yun, Ron. Pwede mo akong picturean doon. Doon sa ganun. Sa
Saan?
may ganun-ganun lights.
It is.
Oh, ang ganda.
Honestly, these lights are just so beautiful, and the ambience just makes the vibe. Other than restaurants, there are also a bunch of massage parlors in Coron Town proper, with various different types of services and prices. So please book in advance because a lot of them are quite full. So you definitely need to book in advance, especially for these nice ones. And of course, Coron Town offers a lot of souvenir shops. There's everything for everyone. Happy shopping!